I'm going to take some bets. Not all of you know how quickly I can do this, so let's throw it out there. Who's got some numbers? How fast am I going to solve this? Huh? 15 here, 7 minutes. Alex? 4 seconds? Yeah, I would be in Vegas if I could do it in 4 seconds. Emily? 10? Oh, I'm not that fast, but cool. Colin? 45? Okay, you'll get absolutely nothing if you get it right. But,
the timer?
Okay, so my assistant, I wasn't even looking, I'm not cheating, he scrambled it for me. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain the rules. So I'm going to use competition rules. So in a competition, you're allowed to look at it for 15 seconds. It's not cheating, it's to even the field. Because everybody has the different scrambles, and the cube is in different positions. It gives somebody else an edge. So you're allowed to look at the cube for 15 seconds before you start. So I'll do like a little quick examination, and then I'll start. Does this thing work? There's nothing wrong with the cube, actually. It's not solvable.
We'll do it again.
Was that a prank? Did somebody do that on purpose? Okay, one more time.
Kevin makes it wild.
And it might affect the light. Can we turn more lights on for real?
Cube 1, Ken 0.
Can we turn the other lights on? Somebody?
More lights.
Okay,
Outside.
I don't know how to work this thing. Okay, for real this time.
Cube 1, Ken 0.
I'm going to even the score. Is there anybody here who would like to challenge me to a duel? Right! Anybody here challenge me to a duel? Oh, we've got a taker! Bring out my other cube, guys. I need a second cube. Okay, thank you. Yeah, he's getting the unsolvable one. So for those of you who can't see the time, it's 23.1. So I'm pretty awesome. Just wanted to say that. What's your name?
Louis.
Louis. Louis, where are you from?
Rockland.
So you've solved this before?
Maybe.
Okay, well, I'll try to take it easy on you, okay? I don't want to embarrass you in front of this beautiful crowd. So let's, you can take this seat here. So what I'll do is, because you've probably never done this before, I'll start the timer, and I'll stop it because I'll probably beat you. But if you happen to do a little bit faster, stop the timer with both hands, on each hand. Good? Okay. Well, you get 15 seconds to look at it. But if I start the timer before you, game on.
All right. Let's do it.
This is my party. What the? Okay, clearly you've done this before. This isn't fair. Yeah, probably. Now, let's do this again. Give me a chance. You need to do it with one hand only. Yeah, too bad. Can we get some scramblers? Yeah, no, you cheated.
That's a good idea. Do it blindfolded.
What is going on here?
Ken, you got taken for, buddy. Hey, Ken! Ken! Do it blindfolded. Do that.
All right, I'll start the timer. You're doing it with one hand, I'm doing it with two hands. Go. Let me let you know the secret. This is a good friend of mine, Louis, who I met at a Cuban competition, and these kids blow my mind. Let me give you one piece of information. You can actually Google this guy because he's got world records. Well, he has a Guinness World Record for the Megaminx. Can you show the Megaminx? The first competition I ever went to, he was faster than me with his feet than I was with two hands. Feet, yeah.
We want to see it. We want to
This is a 12-sided cube. We'll do a little demonstration. He'll show you his. So this is a 12-sided cube. These ones are only 6-sided. 12. And he's currently in second in the world for solving this cube. Single or average? Both. Okay. So in competitions you get 5 solves, and they take your worst and your best out, and they average the 3 other ones. And he has any records. And he's also in the top 50 in the world for I think like 12 different events. It's insane. Insane. So Louis will do a demonstration with the Megaminx for you guys. guys tell what he's doing? So that was just over 1 minute, but his record is somewhere around 42 seconds. 39 seconds on that thing.
Yeah.
Mind-boggling. Everybody help me say thank you to Louis. We'll do one more demonstration of the 4x4. So this is very similar to the 3x3. It just has one extra cube on each side. You looked at it for like 3 seconds before we started. Over him, he usually does it in like 30 seconds, 140 or something like that, right? We'll do one more quick one. How long do you think it'll take to do this thing?
Like 5 seconds. 2 seconds.
2? That's pretty fast. 2 seconds? Pretty fast. All right, one more round of applause for Louis. Thank you so much. Need a hand bringing this table up. Somebody wants to come in and help.
All right, right now we're going to have a garter giveaway.